All right, so a slightly more complex probability problem, right? So we have 6 red marbles, 5 yellows, and 7 greens, and we want to know how many additional reds need to be added to the 18, which is the total. So the probability of randomly drawing a red marble is 3/5, right? So we want to know how many additional reds. So how many reds do we have right now? We have 6 reds out of 18 total, right? Now we want to do something. We want to add reds so that the probability ends up being 3/5, right? So how are we doing that? We're adding reds. So this is kind of the easy part, right? Most people get that it's 6 plus R, but what you also have to do is that it's 18 plus R on the bottom, because if you're adding reds to what's already to the reds on top, but you're also adding to the total, right? Now we have an equation with just one variable. Now we cross multiply and solve. You could throw in your answer choices for the R too if you wanted to, but just to solve the actual equation with algebra. So 5 times 6 plus R, which is 30 plus 5R, right? So it would be like 5 times this whole thing, and then 3 times this whole thing, right? When we cross multiply, it's just a way of bringing up our denominators and making a linear equation. So 3 times 18 is 54. Geez. Okay. 3 times 18 is 54. Plus 3R, right? Now I'm just going to solve for my R's. I'm going to bring the 3R over here, which gives me 2R. I'm going to subtract the 30 from here, right? So 2R equals 24, right? And then I'm going to divide by 2, and R is going to equal 12. So that would be answer choice A.